In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share access to Google Business Profile. Giving the right people access lets your team update business info, respond to reviews, and post updates without sharing a password, which keeps your account secure and organized. First, open your browser and go to business.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that owns or manages the profile you want to share. If you manage multiple locations, select the specific business you're working on so you're editing the right profile. Next, look to the top right and click the three dots, sometimes called the More menu. This menu holds the tools and settings that aren't on the main screen, so it's where Google keeps the options for managing your profile and its permissions. From there, click Business Profile Settings. This is the control center for your profile. You'll see options related to visibility, notifications, and, importantly, user access. Now click People and Access. This page shows everyone who currently has access to the profile and what role they hold. It's a helpful place to review who can do what before you add someone new, especially if your team has changed. Click Add to start inviting a new user. This opens the invitation form and is the official way to grant access without sharing your login. It's quick, and you can adjust or remove access later if your needs change. Enter the person's email address. Double check that it's correct and that it's the email they want to use for managing the profile. Using the right address helps avoid delays and ensures the invitation reaches the correct inbox. If they use Google Workspace or a standard Google account, they'll be able to accept the invitation smoothly. Next, choose the level of access. Owner gives the highest level of control, including managing users and critical settings. Manager is ideal for day-to-day tasks like editing business information, creating posts, and responding to reviews without full administrative permissions. When in doubt, start with Manager and upgrade later if necessary. Only assign Owner to people you fully trust with administrative control. Finally, click Invite. The recipient will get an email invitation, and once they accept, they'll appear as active in your People and Access list. Until they accept, you may see them listed as invited. If they can't find the email, ask them to check spam or search their inbox for the invitation. That's it. Go to business.google.com, open the three-dot menu, choose Business Profile Settings, select People and Access, click Add, enter the email, pick a role, and send the invite. Keep your team's access up to date to maintain security and smooth collaboration.